Exercise 4.4. So in this first question number 1 is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. Now here we solve second part. There are remaining parts are similar, but here it is root. So second part is 3x square minus 4 root 3x and plus 4 equals to 0. Plus 4 equals to 0. Now firstly we have to compare. So on comparing by ax square standard form plus bx plus c equals to 0. So ax square means coefficient of x square, that is here 3. So a equals to 3, b is the coefficient of x, so it is minus 4 root 3, and c is the constant term, that is 4. Now firstly we find discriminant d, because we have to find the nature of roots. To discriminant, that is capital D. So its formula is b square minus 4ac. Now putting the values. So b square means minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into ac. A is 3 and c is 4. Simplify now. Minus square is plus, 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3. 16 3 is 48. Minus 4 3 is 12, 4 is 48 again. So it is 0. Now if d equals to 0, that means roots are real and equal. So therefore roots are real and equal. Now we have to find it, because in the question it is given that if real roots exist then find. Okay, तो रियल एंड इक्वल है, रियल एंड अनइक्वल होता तब भी हमें सॉल्व करना होता, नॉट रियल होता मीन्स नेगेटिव आता तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व नहीं करना होता, बस यहीं तक क्वेश्चन खत्म हो जाता. नाउ बाय क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला we are using quadratic formula. So by quadratic formula, now here we found d, so we put directly the formula x equals to minus b plus minus root d, not b square minus 4ac upon 2a, because b square minus 4ac the value d is found here. So directly we can put the value minus b is minus 4 root 3, so minus 4 root 3 plus minus root 0 upon 2a is 3. Now here plus minus, firstly solve, minus plus 4 root 3 plus minus root of 0, that is 0 upon 2 3 is 6. Now we can put two values, first one with plus sign, second one is with minus sign. So here it is x, so it implies that x equals to 4 root 3 plus 0 upon 6, and second value is x equals to 4 root 3 minus 0 upon 6. Again plus 0 means same rahega, so 4 root 3 upon 6, and here also it is same, that is 4 root 3 upon 6, because roots are real and equal, so both the answers are same. Only we cancel it, 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, it is 3. Now 2 root 3 upon 3, it is the value of x. Here also we can cancel out same by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, so it is x equals to 2 root 3 upon 3. This is the first question. Now we start second question. So second question is find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Here also we solve second part. First part is simple, do yourself. Second part is kx into x minus 2 plus 6. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. And in this question it is given that find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. दोनों roots कैसे हैं? Equal. अगर roots equal है means d equal to क्या होगा? 0. So firstly simplify it. So kx into x, that is kx square, kx into minus 2, that is minus 2kx plus 6 as it is equals to 0. Now firstly we compare it. So on comparing by standard form of quadratic equation, comparing by standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The value of a, that is coefficient of x square, that is k. So a equals to k, b equals to coefficient of x, that is minus 2k, and c is constant, that is 6. Now since the roots of the equation, roots of the equation are real and equal, that means we have to put d equals to 0, and the formula for d, that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now put the value b square, that is minus 2k square, so minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a, that is k, into c, that is 6 equals to 0. Simplify, minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, k square minus 4k into 6 equals to 0. Now 4 is common, 4k is common. So what is left? Here it is k minus 4k is common. So what is left? 6 equals to 0. Now here two values are in multiply, means first value is 4k equals to 0 and second value is k minus 6 equals to 0. Here if we separate k, that is 0 upon 4, that means k equals to 0. Here k equals to minus 6 goes to in RHS, that will be positive, so k equal to 6. Now here k equal to 0 not possible. Why? If we put here k 0, that means this whole term will be 0, then only left 6 equals to 0, which is not possible. So k equal to 0 not possible. Clear? Now k equals to 6, so therefore the value of k, that is 6. It is your answer. Now we move to next question, that is question number 3. I am erasing it. Come to question 3rd, which is just wait. Third question is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its width and area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and width. So question number 3rd, we assume width. So let width of rectangular mango group, so width be x. Unit is meter, yes, x meter, and it is given length is twice of this, so length will be 2x meter. Length 2x है और width x है, और here it is given that area is 800. So area of rectangle, क्योंकि rectangular shape है तो area of rectangle और rectangular mango group भी लिख सकते हैं. Rectangle equals to 800 meter square. Now area will be L into B, so L is 2x into B is x equals to 800. Now 2 goes to divide, so x square equals to 400. 400 transfer here, so x square minus 400 equals to 0. Now firstly we have to check it is possible or not. If possible, then we have to find. So firstly d हमें find करना है, तो compare कर लें. On comparing a by ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the value of a, that is coefficient of x square, that is 1. bx, x की term है ही नहीं, means b equals to 0 and c is minus 400. So now firstly we find d, that is b square minus 4ac. Putting the values, so b square means 0 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 400. Now we get minus minus plus 1600, 0 plus होगा same रहेगा. Now d is greater than 0, so therefore d is greater than 0, that means roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal, दो वैल्यूज आएंगी. नाउ अगर रूट्स रियल और अनइक्वल है, मीन्स हमें फाइंड करना है, तो बाई क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला सेम फॉर्मूला यूज कर ले रहे हैं. फैक्टराइजेशन भी कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ बाय क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, वैसे फैक्टराइजेशन ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर भी लगा सकते हैं. क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, बट x इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट बी डी, डायरेक्ट डी रख लीजिए, डी हम फाइंड कर चुके हैं, अपॉन 2a. Now putting the values, minus b, b is 0, so minus 0 plus minus root d, that is 1600 upon 2a. Minus 0 means no value, that means plus minus root 1600, that a की वैल्यू क्या है, a की वैल्यू पुट करिए, a is 1, so 2 into 1 plus minus 0 खत्म, प्लस माइनस आ गया, root of 1600, that is 40 upon 2 means plus minus 20. अब देखिए प्लस 20 और माइनस 20 दो आंसर आ गए, बट माइनस 20 इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, मीन्स हेयर हमें यहाँ जो वैल्यूज़ मिली है, दैट इज x इक्वल्स टू प्लस 20 एंड x इक्वल टू माइनस 20. बट माइनस 20 नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज लेंथ एंड विड्थ आर नॉट नेगेटिव. कोई भी लेंथ क्योंकि विड्थ है वो नेगेटिव नहीं होगी. तो x 20 और हमें दोनों फाइंड करना था, मीन्स विड्थ आ गई. देयरफॉर विड्थ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल दैट इज 20 मीटर एंड लेंथ विल बी 2x means 2 into 20, that will be 40 meter. तो लेंथ हो गई 40 और विड्थ हो गई 20 मीटर. नाउ वी मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th. आई एम सॉल्विंग हियर ओनली. सो 4th क्वेश्चन इज Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. दो फ्रेंड का एज का सम दिया हुआ 20. सो लेट एज ऑफ फर्स्ट फ्रेंड, एक फ्रेंड की एज हमने मान लिया, फर्स्ट फ्रेंड नॉट एज, फर्स्ट फ्रेंड दैट इज वी एज्यूम x ईयर्स. और दूसरे का, क्योंकि दोनों का सम दिया है 20, तो दूसरे की एज क्या हो जाएगी 20 माइनस एक्स. देन एज ऑफ सेकेंड फ्रेंड विल बी 20 minus x. After this, what is given? The sum of the ages of two friends is 20. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is in years was 48. 4 years ago, दोनों में 4 माइनस कर देंगे और दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई किया मैंने 48. So 4 years ago, 4 माइनस कर देंगे तो x माइनस 4 और दूसरा हो जाएगा 20 माइनस एक्स थी पहले एज, माइनस 4 कर देंगे और प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन 48. सिंप्लीफाई नाउ. x into 20, so 20x, x into minus x square, minus 4x, minus 4 into 20, minus 80, minus 4 into minus x, that is plus 4x, minus 4 into minus 4, that is plus 16, equal to 48. Now, all terms shifted to RHS. So 0 will equals to x square, minus 4x plus 4x, ये तो कैंसिल ही हो गया, ठीक है. 20x प्लस का है, उधर शिफ्ट होगा तो माइनस का, सो x स्क्वायर माइनस 20x, और 16 और माइनस 80, 48 तो उधर ही प्लस का है, प्लस का 48, और 80 उधर जाएगा प्लस का, और 16 जाएगा माइनस का, तो प्लस 80 माइनस 16. ओके, नाउ वी कैन पुट इट इन LHS साइड, बोथ साइड वी कैन राइट. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 20x, 48, 80 में से 48 और 80 कितना हुआ 128, माइनस 16, सो इट इज़ 112, इट विल बी प्लस साइन equals to 0. Now we have to check it is possible or not, means we have to find D. So here on comparing, A that is 1, B is minus 20 and C is 112. Now D that is B square minus 4AC. Find the value B that is minus 20 square minus 4, A is 1 into C that is 112. Now 400 minus 448, that means minus 48, which is not possible because D is less than 0. So therefore roots are not real. Roots are not real, so situation is not possible. Therefore this situation is not possible, is not possible. Clear? Now one more question is left, do it in homework.